Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to protect document using password. So let's start it. At first, we just need to click on File menu. And then from here, we need to click Protect Document option. Here, we see too many options. From here, we just need to click Encrypt with Password. After that, we see that a window where we need to put our password. So I type the password here and then OK. Re-enter the password, press OK. Now this document protect with a password. Our task is just save the document. I just save the document using the name password. OK. Now just close this document and open the file. When I try to open the file, I see that it's required a password to open the file. So I just give the password here, then press OK. Now this file is protected with a password. If we need to remove the password, so we just need to apply the same method. Just click on Protect Document option and encrypt with password, and then select the password and delete, then OK. Now this file protection is removed. Thank you.